Hello everybody, Tough Nugget here again, and today, you can tell we're on a server because there's lots of people, but, sorry, I am a bit sick. We are in Hypixel today. Yeah, so this should be new for you guys. I mean, I've played it a couple of times. It's another famous server like Mineplex. Again, I apologize, I am a bit sick, but I haven't been recording for the last few days because I was sicker than I was now, and I didn't want you guys to hear me coughing and all that. I might still cough a bit, but it's not as bad as it would be. So let's get straight into it. So today, I honestly didn't really have anything planned. I didn't really think much about recording for when I was sick. I do like Galaxy Wars. Let's do Build Battle. Let's do Build Battle. Because why not? So I'm sorry for the last video where you couldn't see my cursor when I was pointing out all the things. I apologize, but this time you should be able to see it. If not, epic fail. Sure. I have to concentrate on one thing or the other. I need a water bucket. I'm sorry, I'm so quiet. I'm just very concentrated. Don't expect me to be like Dan yet. I'm not used to talking and doing all this plot floor. Oh, wait. There. So let's start with the body. Let's start going like this. Okay, it's looking okay. I don't know. This doesn't look right, does it? This looks like an epic fail. That's what it looks like. Oh my. Oh my, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Oh wow. What is this? This is not a shark. Oh man. I failed. Let's just give him a head. And I bet you it'll look just as bad as... Yeah. I grabbed the white to give him teeth, but that's not happening. Oh, I just have an idea to make him look ridiculous. Banner builder. It's gonna be white, and it's gonna be like, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be. Let's do this one. Let's do. Wait, did I do that right? Oh, wait. No, that doesn't look. Oh, I'm so new to this banner thing. Okay. White. Square top left. Ink sac. Finish. There. Okay. Let's put it down. Oh no. And I need to do it again. I should be using my scroll instead of other stuff. Okay, so white. Now I need to do this one. Right? No, because it's gonna be on the other side. No, so bad. This, there, right? There's my derpy shark. And then, what should I do for a mouth? He needs a mouth. let's give him a tail. Let's not worry about that yet. Let's give him a tail. Oh. I guess it's not too bad, right? Okay, that looks even worse. I need to put those back. Go back. I mean, it's okay. Oh. I'm so sorry, guys. Wow. We lost. GG. Whoops. GG. Well, sucks. I should really be voting. Oh. I'm gonna give it a super poop. Oh, just in time. Oh, it's a... Was it? I think it was gonna be a hammerhead, but I don't think they quite finished. Oh, okay. If it's going where I think it was going, then yeah. Oh. Oh no. Oh, I'm gonna look. Oh, what? He's gonna be an epic. Well, I guess I did add derpy eyes. Oh man. Oh, that is good. That's epic. I'm not gonna do legendary because I don't know. That's good too. I'm not sure they're quite legendaries though. Oh, I do apologize for me sniffing and all that. Raining stuff is legendary. This is a shark. Look like a fat penguin with teeth. Oh wait. I think I saw it. Oh, I saw it right after. Wow. Still, I apologize. What? How does he see? That's a dolphin. Dolphins are fins like that. Wow. Wait, this one. What? This isn't a shark. This is. I don't even know what this is. Oh. Oh, that's getting a good. That's getting a good. That's totally getting a good. Oh, and again, it's only one round, so this is it. Oh, I guess he won though. GG. Well, sadly, that's it from me. I'm sorry I didn't talk much or anything, and I don't sound so, what's the word, enthusiastic or anything. It's just, I'm not up to it today. I just wasn't. But I knew you guys would want to see more, so that's what I did. And how are you? Why is this not animated? Are you guys seeing this? Not animated? Oh. Alright then, anyways. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you next time. Hopefully with a friend, maybe in Hypixel. Probably in Hypixel if you guys like this enough. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button or that like button, or leave a comment why you do or do not like me. I don't mind if it's do or do not like me. Anyways, goodbye.